What happens when animals and Superman face off in an all-out battle? The twist? They combine forces to create an unstoppable hybrid. Get ready for an epic showdown that will leave you speechless. This is the ultimate battle you never saw coming. Who emerged victorious in this epic battle? Nature's fiercest predators or the deadly sand beasts? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this intense showdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling adventures. Stay tuned for the next epic clash. Until then, keep exploring the wild side of nature.